China sends 20 nuclear-capable fighter jets and bombers to Taiwan airspace. The timing of Beijing's overflight was during the final day of the G7 summit, where US President Joe Biden has hit out at China's expansionist ambitions. Taiwan has complained over the last few months of repeated incursions by Beijing into its airspace. The Chinese aircraft entered the southwestern part of Taiwan's air defense zone on Tuesday, an area near the Taipei-controlled Pratas Islands. Beijing has not commented on its mission that involved 14 J-16 and 6 J-11 fighters, as well as 4 H-6 bombers. Taiwan's defense ministry has said that the Chinese aircraft carried anti-submarine, electronic warfare and early warning technology. Tuesday's incursion was the largest since Taiwan's defense ministry began regularly reporting Chinese Air Force activities. The 28 aircraft that traversed Taiwanese airspace broke the previous record of 25 aircraft reported on April 12. Taiwanese combat aircraft were dispatched to intercept the Chinese aircraft. The island democracy then angled its missile defense system on the Chinese jets and bombers. The Chinese aircraft came very close to the bottom tip of the island of Taiwan. In the past, China has said their overflights are necessary to reinforce Beijing's sovereignty over the island democracy. Beijing has hit out at recent rhetoric from the Biden administration, who have affirmed their commitment to defend Taipei's independence. China has hit out at the alliance between Taipei and Washington, calling it collusion. Beijing's escalating overflights have caused tensions with the U.S. China has always stated its sovereignty claim over Taiwan as a red line the United States should not cross. Beijing has repeatedly said that it will not renounce the possible use of force to ensure reunification with Taiwan. The incoming Chinese aircraft were sent a radio message by a Taiwanese radio operator. The radio message said, "This is the Republic of China, ROC, Air Force. The Chinese military aircraft flying at 6,500 meters in Taiwan's southwestern airspace. You have entered our airspace and are affecting aviation safety. Turn around and leave immediately. The consequences of any accident are yours alone."